How to take back control of your life, the effective method. Do you feel stuck? That days are passing and you're not making any progress? The truth is, taking control of your life is not magic, but it requires the right approach. In this video, I'll share with you 3 simple yet effective steps. If you apply them, your life will change forever. Manage your time wisely. Your time is your most valuable resource. If you don't manage it, it will be wasted. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your achievements come from just 20% of your activities. Focus on what truly matters. Stop wasting time on things that add no value, like mindlessly browsing your phone. Small habits make a big difference. Every small habit you practice daily accumulates into a powerful force that transforms your life. Try the 1% rule. A tiny improvement each day means you'll be a completely different person in a year. Ask yourself daily, what small change can I make today to be better tomorrow? Stop procrastinating and start now. Your mind tricks you into thinking you need to be perfect before you begin, but that's not true. Take action now, even if you're not 100% ready, because real learning comes from experience, not overthinking. If you truly want to take back control of your life, start applying these steps today. Don't postpone them. What is the biggest challenge you face in taking control of your life? Write it in the comments and I'll help you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos.